Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing 2 steps with you babies which does amazing benefits for the skin. It's super good, everything is natural, and it'll only do wonders for your skin. So the first step is a cleanser with just 2 simple ingredients. Both are amazing and both are easily available right now. You're going to get it, you're going to apply it, and you're going to get amazing results. And the next step also has just 1 ingredient which is again natural and very easily available too. So I wish you tried these 2 steps and you're going to be super content with the results. It's for all skin types. It's not particularly for my skin, that is dry skin. It is for all skin types and you're going to be super happy with it. Excuse my look, my hair is in a terrible mess, so I just pinned it up behind, otherwise it's like this. So just excuse my looks, just concentrate on what I want to share with you. So this cleanser literally cleanses the skin superbly. It helps to reduce blackheads, whiteheads, dead skin super fast if you are consistent with it. It helps to lighten the skin and brighten the skin, thus lightening your tan, discoloration, acne marks, wound marks, and make your skin even tone. It's not going to make you white. That's just high hopes with natural ingredients. It'll make your skin even tone, and yeah, we need even tone skin, right? So let's begin with the first step. In the first step, you need kapli wheat flour, which is amazing. I'm finding it much better than rice flour and chapati ka atta. The results are amazing with kapli wheat flour. It's very easily available. I'll mention the brand I'm using from in the description box. So I take about a teaspoon of kapli wheat flour and add in about a little bit of water to make it into a thin paste. Not too liquidy, not too thick, in between. And now I'm going to be applying it on wet skin. So my skin is wet right now. So I'm going to be taking this amazing cleanser and just cleansing my skin. Usually I do this in the bathroom. It's going to get messy right now. So I'm just going to apply it on my skin, massage it for like 1 to 2 minutes very gently, and wash off. Okay, and I'll get back. So I just washed my face. Whew, it's amazing. Literally cleanses the skin. It does not even dry out your skin. Skin feels amazing. It's too good, and you can add in other ingredients too. I'll make a video on it in the future. So the next step is adding flaxseed oil. Good quality flaxseed oil is what you need. It's amazing for the skin, for the scalp, for the hair. But right now we're talking about the face. I've used from the brand Rajkamal, which is from the mill, I guess. I'll put that also in the description box. So when I got it to Ooty, the bottle broke, so I had to transfer it in this. Flaxseed oil literally heals the skin. It even tones the skin. It calms the skin from any rashes, irritation. So you just need a little bit of it. It is very good to moisturize the skin. It's too good. Very good to lighten dark circles, specs, marks. Just need a little bit of it and it does the needy. Apply it super well. Don't feed your eyes when you're applying it on your eyes and around your eyes. Just be a little careful. And then your lips, don't forget. That's all you have to do. Your skin is going to feel super great. I'm definitely sure. You can see I've got pigmentation here. Some pigmentation literally does not go, like you can see here, but it will not aggravate because of the remedies I'm sharing. It will literally help to maintain it or lighten it. It will not completely vanish. Keep that in mind. Pigmentation, hyperpigmentation does not go completely, at least in my case. It takes a while to go with natural ingredients. So in my case, what I've experienced, it does not aggravate because I apply sunscreen in the daytime many times a day. And yeah, I take care of my skin a lot, so it does not aggravate. It's still there somewhere, but it does not aggravate. And yeah, if it aggravates, that's when I look like a beetroot or I look discolored and I look really different. But as of now, it's okay. does not smell great. It smells pathetic. I don't know if you like the smell of flaxseed oil. I do not like it. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to hit on that bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. काश आपको ये रेमेडीज पसंद आएगी तो don't forget to share it with your loved ones, because पता नहीं किस किस को help करेगी. You never know who it might help. So yeah, sharing is caring. My remedies are tried and tested from quite some time, so I'm sure it's going to be helpful on me. So yeah, see you later in another video very soon. Bye bye.